Well, hello everybody. Welcome to another video. Today is going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to be using a camera. I'm going to be screen recording Element Manager. Now what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to set up line pulls in Element Manager for your Nortel BCM, the entire BCM series really. Family of BCM. This is not the older North Star systems, but this, of course, is with Element Manager. This does not apply to CS1000. CS1000 might be similar, but it is definitely not the same, of my knowledge. Okay, so you're going to log in to Element Manager. You're going to go to to telephony, dial plan. You're going to go line pulls. Of course, we're setting up a line pull. You're going to go sorry about that. You're gonna go. It's not gonna look. Well, there it goes. It's working now. You're gonna go line pull. You're going to add what DN you want. All my sets have line pull A because it's just my general calling pull. You can add by doing that. Just enter the DN like 221, 234, 2 whatever it may be, or 301, whatever your DNs may be. That that's where you add there in the line pull. If you don't have that, it'll just give you a reorder tone, and it will not work. You just won't be able to access it. If you're dialing, if you have it set up, and you're dialing like let's say a access code of 9, then and it's just making up like a popping sound. That means you've got it set up, but you have it on the wrong line. It's either on a VoIP line, and let's say you set up line, like it's on line 1 on the block, on your 66 block, but that's not actually line 1. So let's go over here. Now you're going to go to lines, of course, not active physical lines. If you're a hobbyist, you may only have one line, or you may have all four. I'm using 2 lines. And so what you're gonna, this is where you can name your lines or what kind it is, like a loop. Um, that's pretty self-explanatory. It's just all your settings and whatever you see here. You can see the assigned DN's the one I have on ring only, or appear in ring, whatever. Eh, And so what that is for is really just assigning, if you have a key that you can either just have it ring and it'll show up as an intercom line ringing, or you can have a peer ring where it's got its separate button and you can access the line by pushing that button. That's not what this video is about. That's the simple way to do it, but we're not doing it the simple way. We're using access code, so it's going to be acting like a PBX, not a KSU. This is a KSU, not a PBX, because it uses keys. It doesn't use access codes. You can use keys with it. I'm not going into what the difference is as a KSU or a PBX, but it's gonna be acting like a PBX. But so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna go if you want to set that up, you can. But now that you have your access code set up, the line pull itself set up, you're gonna go to line type. You're going to the drop down menu, and then you have all your different pools, and in my case is for 061 is the blue and white blue, the white blue pair on the 66 on the RJ21 or Amphenol connector, um, all the way down to 064. So it's not actually line 1. Line 1 is actually a VoIP line. Line 61 through 64 is your physical lines on the BCM itself, not the expansion unit. But let's recap. So now that we have that set up, let's recap. You're going to go to line pools. Oh, and there's one more thing I've got to mention too. Under routing, if this will. So under routing and destination codes, this might say 9. You need to do this before anything else. I forgot to mention that. Do this before anything else. Add a new one. Select just a random destination code. Of obviously 1 through 12. Then delete the one that says 9. And so That's all you do here. Don't do anything else. Then you will go to line pools, set up the access code with whatever pool you want, add the DNs, delete what DNs you want to have access to that code, go to physical line, active physical lines, you can name it, and then select what pool you want accessed on this line. And then if you press 9, sorry, I just pressed a line. If you press 9, if you can hear the dial tone, that's what it should do, and it will show up the name of the line. But as I said, you have to absolutely make sure this does not say 9 or it will ruin your day because nothing will be working. So that is basically it. It's a pretty simple task. It's got several things that you have to do, but it's really easy. But yes, that's, like I said, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you guys out. I may have talked a little bit too much than some of you might like, but it's good information to know, especially if you, as a hobbyist or a business, needs help and they don't really, and they still have one of these phone systems, but they don't know how to use it. You know, like if they had an IT guy that quit or something happened, and they just need information. Um, but yes, that's basically it. If you guys need any help, please just leave a comment, and I will answer that. Uh, but yes, I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.